So you just got yourself a new gimbal and you want to start getting those sweet, smooth shots. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you my 5 top gimbal movements. So let's get to it. What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Cheno, and today we're here at Melbourne. We're gonna go ahead with tip number 1, and that is the dolly tilt. So dolly is to kind of push in or pull back, but then we want to add a tilting motion. So that's where we make the camera look up slowly or look down. And that's a good way to also reveal your scene in a more dramatic fashion. So for this first shot, guys, I'm gonna do the typical looking down and then looking up. And then second shot, you can start from looking up, slowly looking down as you're moving forward. I actually like this next shot where we're moving back and then slowly looking up. So we can do a little bit more advanced movements, guys, where I also add in another motion. So we're looking up, slowly looking down, we're moving left to right with our entire body. Just creative ways to add in different motions to when you want to reveal your location. Tip number 2 is the orbit shot, also known as the parallax shot. And much like the planets around the sun, you're going to orbit your subject and try and keep them in the center of your frame. And I absolutely love this shot because you just get such a dynamic image and movement. So yeah, let's go try it out. Tip number 3 is the crane shot. This is where you go from low to high or high to low. And it's a great way to reveal your new location or environment that you're in, such as this busy area here in Melbourne, which I should probably put my mask on. We're kind of safe though. There's not a lot of people where we are in this specific area. But yeah, I would personally go from low to high and kind of show the new place, the new area that I'm in. That's tip number 3. Tip number 4 is side tracking. And this one's a little bit more difficult because you do have to keep up pace with your subject. And when you get it right, it makes for such satisfying movements. Last but not the least is tip number 5, and that's the slider shot. It's super simple. You can just go left to right or right to left. And instead of setting up 2 tripods, a slider, just use your gimbal and try and be as smooth as possible. You have to worry about the up and down motion, so try and keep it as level as possible. Here we go, guys. We're gonna go from left to right as the tram goes by, slowly revealing the shot. That's it. Reveal that. Not bad. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot, and yeah, go out there, start filming with your gimbal, and I hope you get some awesome films. I was gonna say travel films, but you could be doing something else. Anyway, all right, too long, bye. See ya.